Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have a JBL Partybox 1000 and you're having issues with the wristband not connecting or not pairing with your speaker. There's a good chance that the reason it's not is because the batteries in the wristband are dead, because they're not rechargeable or anything like that. They don't recharge. You use them until they go dead and then you've got to replace them. But the good thing is they're really cheap, they're a standard battery, and they're really easy to replace. You'll need two of them. Really the hardest thing you need to do is just get the batteries. I'll put a link in the description to where you can buy the batteries for really cheap. They're C2032s, you can get them anywhere. But anyways, and all we need to do is just open the back. So you just need like a coin, like a quarter is really kind of the best size coin. And you're basically going to turn it, you're going to come in and you're going to turn it clockwise. So the opposite of how you would normally open something, you're not going to turn it counterclockwise. You're going to turn it clockwise until this is sideways. Like right now it's like at 12 o'clock or whatever, 12:06. You're just going to turn it to 3 o'clock, 9 o'clock, like that. And then you might need to get like a knife or something like that, or a pen to kind of pop it out, but it should pop out. So when this arrow is pointed over here, then you can just pop it out, pull the two batteries out, and then just put your two new C2032s in, push this back on, turn it back counterclockwise until this arrow is straight up and down like this, and you're good to go. So if this video helped, if you could leave me a like, I'd really appreciate it. Thanks a lot for watching.